Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will talk about how to make money online in 2024. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's get started. 1. Dropshipping dreams. Unveiling the art of online entrepreneurship. In the realm of dropshipping dreams, the allure lies not just in the prospect of running an online store, but in the art of becoming a digital entrepreneur. Beyond the basics of finding reliable suppliers, freelancers can optimize their dropshipping ventures by leveraging marketing strategies, employing customer relationship management tactics, and building a brand that stands out in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Successful dropshippers understand the importance of market research, trend analysis, and staying agile in response to the ever-changing e-commerce environment. 2. Dazzling digital courses. Architecting educational empires. Dazzling digital courses isn't just about sharing knowledge. It's about architecting educational empires that stand the test of time. Crafting online courses requires a nuanced understanding of instructional design, multimedia integration, and audience engagement. Successful digital course creators go beyond merely delivering information. They create immersive learning experiences. The journey involves not only mastering the subject matter but also employing effective marketing strategies, utilizing social proof, and continually refining content based on learner feedback. 3. Blogging bonanza. Crafting narratives for profit and impact. Blogging in the 21st century is more than a digital diary. It's a powerful medium for influencing opinions, fostering communities, and, of course, generating income. Blogging bonanza explores the art of crafting narratives that not only captivate readers but also monetize seamlessly. Successful bloggers understand the importance of niche selection, search engine optimization, SEO, and building a personal brand. In the ever-evolving world of algorithms, staying abreast of SEO trends and diversifying revenue streams are pivotal to long-term success. 4. Tremendous translation services. Language mastery for global impact. Tremendous translation services propels language enthusiasts into the realm of global communication, beyond linguistic prowess. Success lies in cultural acumen and leveraging technology for efficient translation. Freelancers can elevate their services by specializing in industries, adapting to machine translation tools, and cultivating relationships with international clients. Creating a robust online presence, building a portfolio, and participating in language communities further enhance visibility and credibility in this competitive landscape. 5. Captivating content creation. The art and science of online stardom. Captivating content creation is a journey into the art and science of becoming an online sensation. Beyond creating eye-catching visuals or entertaining videos, successful content creators grasp the nuances of algorithmic changes, audience analytics, and platform-specific trends. 6. Niche e-commerce expedition. Crafting a unique shopping experience. Embarking on a niche e-commerce expedition is akin to curating an exclusive gallery. Success lies in the details. From identifying unique products to crafting a compelling brand narrative, freelancers can turn their online stores into destinations for enthusiasts. The journey involves market research, effective branding, customer relationship management, and staying attuned to industry trends. Engaging with the niche community, participating in relevant forums, and creating a personalized shopping experience further solidify the position of the e-commerce venture in its niche. 7. Stock photography safari. Visual storytelling for royalties. The stock photography safari isn't just about snapping pictures. It's about telling visual stories that resonate with a global audience. Successful stock photographers understand the market demands, optimize their portfolios for discoverability, and navigate licensing intricacies. Beyond technical proficiency, embracing creative trends, participating in photography communities, and continually upgrading equipment contribute to sustained success in the competitive world of stock photography. 8. Social media management success. Orchestrating digital symphonies. Becoming a maestro in social media management success involves more than scheduling posts. It's about orchestrating digital symphonies that resonate with audiences. Successful social media managers understand platform algorithms, leverage analytics for strategic decisions, and possess a keen understanding of their client's brand voice. Navigating crisis management, fostering community engagement, and staying ahead of social media trends contribute to creating a digital presence that stands out. 9. Fantastic freelance writing. Mastering the art of persuasion. Fantastic freelance writing isn't just about words. It's about mastering the art of persuasion through well-crafted prose. Successful freelance writers go beyond basic grammar. They understand SEO principles, tailor their writing to specific audiences, and continuously refine their style. Building a diverse portfolio, networking with editors and businesses, and staying abreast of industry trends contribute to building a sustainable freelance writing career. 10. Affiliate marketing magic. The strategic dance of digital recommendations. Affiliate marketing magic isn't a passive income miracle. It's the strategic dance of aligning product recommendations with audience needs. Successful affiliate marketers understand their audience's pain points, build trust through authentic content, and strategically incorporate affiliate links. Beyond product promotion, diversifying income streams, staying transparent with audiences, and adapting to evolving affiliate program terms contribute to long-term success in the world of digital recommendations. 11. App development adventure. Navigating the innovation landscape. Embarking on an app development adventure requires more than coding skills. It's about navigating the innovation landscape. Successful app developers understand market demands, stay abreast of technological advancements, and create solutions that address real-world problems. Beyond coding proficiency, effective marketing, user feedback integration, and continuous improvement contribute to creating apps that resonate with a global audience. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. How make money online in 2024? From freelancing to content creation, the online world is bursting with opportunities for you to grab. Remember, success